If you're a Dodge Cummins owner looking for a transmission pan that'll keep your transmission running cool while adding a custom look to your truck, the XDP Extra Deep Aluminum Transmission Pan is the perfect solution. This pan is specifically designed to fit your Dodge Cummins and is built with an aluminum sheet metal construction that is sleek, lightweight, and durable. It features a fully welded construction and a 3/8 inch thick mounting flange for added strength and resistance to protect against warping. Installing the Extra Deep pan on your Dodge Cummins is easy thanks to its direct fit design that allows for use of any OE style gasket. It comes ready to install with new stainless steel hardware and is equipped with a drain plug and a 1/8 inch MPT port access to install a transmission temperature sensor. Want to add some style to your Dodge Cummins? The XDP Extra Deep Aluminum Transmission Pan is the perfect solution. Shop now at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.